amazing in here. Look at this dude. It's pretty cool. Decor in this place. I love it. Bar back there. Fireplace. It's great. Here's the outside view. Seating area. A little preview to my other video. There's the new hotel. Prefab buildings up here, but it's so beautiful up here. You can see the damage from the fire years ago over there. A lot of these buildings are new. It's a mixture of residential people living here and also a lot of rentals. But it's gorgeous here. What a beautiful day. Nice to get away from the desert. I just noticed they have a fireplace outside in the bar. And you don't have to go inside to put the bar. You can just go walk right up to it. It's really good. Beautiful area. Alrighty, here it is. Potato bun. It's called the Big Bob. Cheddar cheese, green chili, apple smoked bacon, onion, tomato, and lettuce. Almost got the blue cheese one, but I love green chilies. And onion rings. And I got a side of ranch somewhere around here. There we go. So let's dig in. Okay, here we go. Let's try the onion rings first. Not a big fry guy, to be honest. I usually get salads. But with a burger, I like to have onion rings. You can taste the beer batter. It's not strong, but it's good. Nice balance. Not too much batter to the size of the onion. I hate when there's too much batter or too little batter. It's a nice balance.
Pretty close.
Good rings. All right, this is going to be messy. See the green chili with the cheese, bacon. That's yummy. Let's do it. Man, so many flavors going on in my mouth right now. First I tasted the cheddar. Now I taste the bacon, and now I'm tasting the green chili. Really good. I highly recommend this place. If you ever come to southern Arizona, Mount Lemmon, it's a great place. Great atmosphere, but good food. All right, that's going to do it from the Sawmill Run Restaurant. Really good. I was surprised, to be honest. Right behind me is, right across the street from the Sawmill Run, right behind me is the Mount Lemmon Community Center.